Hello students, welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. Today we will learn the multiplication of decimals. It is a very small but very important skill to master because most of the times the students feel these difficulties where to put decimal after the multiplication, and this error they commit till class 10. So this is the purpose of this video. Multiplication of decimal we'll learn from general multiplication. Let us multiply 5 by 7. I hope everybody knows the answer. It is just 35. 5 7s are 35. Now, from this result, we will multiply 0.5 and 7. So, can you guess the answer? 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10. 5 by 10 multiplies 7. It will be how much? 35 by 10. 35 over 10 is equal to 3.5. The answer is 3.5. See the result again. 0.5 multiplied 7 is equal to 3.5. Next, find the result of 0.5 multiplies 0.7. 0.5 is equal to 5 by 10. 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10. So now when you will multiply, you will multiply by 10 into 7 upon 10. What is the numerator? 35. What is the denominator? 100. So it will be 35 upon 100. So what will be in the decimal? It is very easy, 0.35, because there are 2 0 in the denominator. So it will be 0.35. Now we'll get the result of 0.05 multiplies 0.7. 0.05 is 5 by 100. 0.7 is 7 by 10. We know how to convert into fraction. Now we'll multiply. So 5 by 100 multiplies 7 by 10. It will be 35 and the denominator will be 1000. So how many decimal will be? It will be 035. Why? There are 3 numbers. So we'll keep 3 place from the right side. So it will be 0.035. Now find the product of 0.005 into 0.7. So what will be 0.005? We know already. It will be 5 by 1000 and 0.7 is equal to 7 by 10. So again the numerator is 35. And what about the denominator? It will be 10,000. So how many places will leave from the right side? We'll place decimal 4 place leaving from the right. So it will be 0.0035. Find the product of 0.005 multiplies 0.07. It will be 5 by 1000 multiplies 7 by 100. So it will be 35 by 1 lakh. So how many place will be left after the decimal? 0.00035. 5 place you have to leave. So it will be, there will be 3 more zeros to the left of 35. Now we'll learn the trick. The procedure is, suppose we are multiplying 0.7 and 0.4. First we'll do the normal multiplication. 7 multiplies 4 is 28. Next is we'll count the digit of first number after the decimal. As it is circled with red, it is 1. Now we'll count the digit of the second number after the decimal. It is again 1. Now we'll take the sum. 1 plus 1 is 2. Next we'll see the result of normal multiplication. It was 28. So we'll count the digit from the right side and put the decimal. So there was 2, so we'll count from right 8, 2, then we'll put the decimal. So it will be 0.28. I hope you got it. Now if sufficient digits are not there, put number of zeros to fulfill. So we'll go for some more examples, then we'll understand better. Some more. Suppose 5 multiplies 0.7, you see only one digit is there after the decimal. So we'll put 5 7 is 35, we'll write 3.5. 0.5 into 0.7, so there are 2 digits after the decimal, so we'll put 2 digits after decimal, it will be 0.35. Next is 0.05 and 0.7, so there are 3 digits after the decimal in the what we will multiply, and in the result it is 35, so we need 3 numbers, so we'll put a 0 before 3 and the answer will be 0.035. Now if it will be 0.07 and 0.05, then 7 5s are 35, but we need 2 plus 2 4 numbers, so we'll put 2 0 before 3, so the answer will be 0.0035. Next, find the product of 271 multiplies 5. As I told in the beginning, we'll learn the decimal multiplication using general multiplication. So I have written the result here. 271 multiplies 5 is 1355. 1355. You can pause the video, you can verify the result also. Everybody knows how to multiply. Now, observing this, we will learn decimal multiplication. Now, 271 multiplies 0.5. Can you guess where the decimal will be? It will be 135.5. Why? Now, after the decimal, there is only one digit in 0.5. So, you will, in the result 1355, you leave one place from the right side of the decimal. You leave one place. Here there is one place, so you will place one. You will leave one place from the right side of the number. So it will be, decimal will be where 135.5. Next, 27.1 into 0.5. Again what to do? You will count the number. One is decimal 1 here, another is here. So there will be 2 places to leave from your 1355. So the result will 1355 will leave 2 places from the right side. It will be, decimal will be leaving 5 from the right side. Next, 2.71 into 0.5. I hope you can guess now. How many places will leave after the decimal? 1, 2, 3. Here there are 2 and there is 1. So it will be how many? it will be 3 places. So what will the result? Result will be 1.355. 1.355. So see the now in seventh one there was one place. So we leave one place for after the decimal. For second there were two. So we leave two places after the decimal. Here for the ninth one there are three, 1, 2 and 3. So we leave three places after the decimal. But the result will be same. 2071 into 5 is 1355. The result will not be different. Only the decimal point will shift according to the number of digits after the decimal, taking in the both the number. 10. Now guess what? So there into 0.271 there are three numbers after the decimal. In 0.05 there are two places after the decimal. So total will be 3 plus 2 5. But we have got only 1355. So we'll put another 10 left to the number. So the result will be 0.01355. So now you test your knowledge. 27 multiplies 15. The result is 405. The result is given to you. You have to find the result of 2.7 into 15. It will be 40.1. Because how many numbers are there after decimal? Only one. So I'll put only one number after the decimal. Twenty-seven multiplies 15 is 405. Now I'll multiply 27 into 1.5. How much will be the result? How many numbers are after decimal? Yes, you are getting, I know. Good. So it will be again 40.5. Leaving one place, you will put the answer. So it will be 40.5. Next, 2.7 multiplies 1.5. From this result, you will write the answer without doing any multiplication. 2.7 into 1.5. Guessing? The result is, how many places you left from right side? Two places. So the decimal will shift. It will be 4.05. Zero 0.27 into 15. Guess? Yes. It will be 4.05. Now again see, there are two digits number here. So you have to leave two places from the right side. 27 into 0.15. So it will be 4.05. You leave two places after the decimal. 2.7 into 0.15. How many places? You leave three places after the decimal. So decimal will be put from right side, leaving three places. So it will be 0.405. What will be the result? 0.27 into 0.15. Count the numbers. In 0.27 there are two digits after the decimal. and in 0.15 there are again 2 digits after the decimal. So total will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to leave 4 places from the right. But in 405 there is only 3 places. So I'll put another 10 before 4. The answer will be 0.0405. This question, 0.027 into 0.15. Count the numbers. 0.27, that is 3 places in the first number, 2 places in the second number. So total is 5. So you have to put, result will be same, only the decimal will be shifting 5 places from right side. So how many more zero I'll put? I'll put 2 more zeros after the decimal before 405. So it will be this answer. That means before 405 we'll take 2 more zeros. The answer is 0.00405. Thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed. You can practice some more questions. Stay safe and have a quality time. Learn at home. And please subscribe the channel. You can learn more if you will share the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you again.